everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to ClassWallet online accounts right from your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Get started by opening up a web browser. Into the URL box type in ClassWallet.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of ClassWallet, which looks like this. ClassWallet is a digital wallet which is used to manage your purchasing and reimbursement process. You can maintain compliance and control while saving valuable time and resources. If you already have an account with the platform, then you can click on the login button at the top right hand corner. In the login page, go ahead and type in your registered email. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset to a new password. Click on I'm not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA that is asked to you, and then click Verify. Finally, click the Login button. In order to log into your ClassWallet account, quick and easy. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.